Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma says scientific coal mining is expected to begin this year. PHE Minister Renuk Tonlung Tongkhar informs about price escalation of pipe in the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission, Ribhoi district. Meghalaya government to provide network facilities to uncovered areas in the state. And Garo traditional heads oppose shifting of Rezubel Para CNRD block. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma today informed the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly that scientific coal mining activity is expected to begin within this calendar year. He said that it is not possible to give a definite timeline, but the process is moving very fast and the state government is getting a lot of support from the Ministry of Coal.
The process is moving very fast. We are getting a lot of support from Government of India, Ministry of Coal, and I will not be able to give exact times, sir, and I cannot give an assurance in the House because, as I said, whatever I say in the House is something, it has to be with facts and figures. But we do expect, in a best case scenario, we do expect that within this year itself, within this year, anything between 6 months to maybe 8 months time, we do expect that few of them will start getting approval for the mining plan also, and they should be able to start the mining activity very soon, sir. But again, as I said, it's all paperwork process.
Minister in charge, Public Health Engineering Renuk Tonlung Tongkhar today informed the House that there has been an escalation in the cost of pipes for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission, Ribhoi district.
On the raw material, and when the raw material goes down, the cost of pipe also went down proportionately. So that's why this time, unfortunately, the escalation of price, the price of raw material went up. That's why the cost of pipe also went up, and maybe our contractor will suffer. But when the time comes that it goes down, then our contractor will enjoy that. I just want to tell honorable members that yesterday we have been able to approve the new rate of the SOR, and I hope that this will serve the purpose of our contractors and they will get better rate now.
Minister in charge, Information and Technology, Hamrit Sondoling today informed the ongoing budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly that the state government is actively pursuing with the Department of Telecommunications, Government of India to speed up process of covering the uncovered inhabited villages of the state under mobile towers and providing network facilities.
Sir, telecom is a central subject. Hence, the state government is actively pursuing with Department of Telecommunication, Government of India to facilitate and speed up the process of covering the uncovered inhabited villages of the state. Also, all telecom towers set up in Meghalaya are either financed directly by the telecom companies themselves or by the Government of India through the Universal Service Obligation Fund. Since telecom companies set up telecom towers in areas where it is commercially viable for them, the central government fund for the setting up of telecom infrastructure in remote areas which are not commercially viable.
The various traditional heads of Garo community, including Aking Nokmas, Sordar, village headmen, church leaders from the district of North Garo Hills, along with district administration, additional DC, magistrate, BDO and other officials, held a meeting on the proposed shifting of Rezubel Para CNRD block to Damas. In this meeting, the traditional heads strongly opposed the shifting of Rezubel Para CNRD block and suggested that the state government should establish another CNRD block to the place where it wants.
Lokal MLA saya kini silakan agar akin akan reissue di India or Delhi ko block
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.